Good morning and welcome to the art show. I colored this, as you can see, and it's like birds and bird houses and all the different kind of birds in it. And I love birds. I love to hear birds sing. And so anyway, I just thought I might show this to y'all. Isn't it beautiful? And it stayed in my lines, as you can see. Just thought maybe you'd like to see this. And it has some flowers in it too. There's a little flower right there. And then there's another flower somewhere. There's a flower. So it has some flowers in it. The birds and birds houses. Subscribe and like.